Apple released a new firmware update to AirPods users today. Yes, this update is for both the newly released AirPods Pro 2 with the USB Type-C port and also the older AirPods Pro 2 with the Lightning port. I am glad to know that Apple is still releasing updates for the AirPods Pro 2 with the Lightning port. The new firmware update has a build number of 6A303. The firmware update is for bug fixes and other improvements. Those bug fixes and improvements are more than likely for the new features on the AirPods Pro 2, which includes personalized volume, conversation awareness, and adaptive audio. Unfortunately, you cannot manually update your AirPods Pro 2. The AirPods firmware update is usually done automatically when your AirPods are connected to your iPhone. But if you're curious to know if you got the update yet, you can connect your AirPods Pro 2 to your iPhone and then open settings on your iPhone and then go to Bluetooth, then find your AirPods under My Devices, then hit the eye icon next to it and look at the firmware number. Alright guys, as I mentioned before earlier on in this video, this automatically updates. Like 5 minutes ago, it was on a previous version, but now it's up to date automatically, so you don't have to worry. And that was just like 5 minutes ago. It said, I believe 6A301. Now it says 6A303. So now it's up to date automatically. If you recently got the new AirPods Pro 2 with the USB Type-C port, then from now on you should be on the same firmware number as the AirPods Pro 2 with the Lightning port. So yeah, I guess if you have the AirPods Pro 2 with the Lightning port, the only thing that you're missing out on the new AirPods Pro 2 is the USB Type-C port and the lossless audio feature. Let me know in the comment section if you notice anything different in this firmware update. Also, I'm curious to know, are you using the AirPods Pro 2 with the Lightning port, or are you using the AirPods Pro 2 with the USB Type-C port? Let me know in the comment section also. Thanks for watching. Peace.